Hi, welcome to the series of everything you need to know about Python in simplest possible way. In our previous videos, we have discussed so many important concepts regarding our set and so many important methods regarding our set, right? So in this video also, we will be knowing some more important methods that we have in order to manipulate sets. So we have isdisjoint, issubset, and also we are having superset. So let us go ahead and understand how these methods are helpful in order to do some operations in order to understand behavior of the sets. So before understanding that, before directly going to these particular methods, first of all, we will be understanding the mathematical intuition that we have to these particular methods. So let us go ahead and understand that first. So sets are typically represented in mathematically Venn diagrams. So Venn diagrams usually represented with these particular circles. So in one circle, we will be having, let's say in this circle, we will be having the elements that we have in the first set. So for the example, I will be taking 1, 2, 3 here. So in one circle, we are having the elements 1, 2, 3, nothing but the elements that we have in one set. So let's say if I consider another set, in this set I will be considering, let's say, 4, 5 and 6 here. So in one set I am having 1, 2, 3. In another set I am having 4, 5, 6. The elements present in this set and the elements is present in this set are completely different, right? In order to know the elements present in one set is completely different from the another set, we will be using this particular method, which is nothing but a disjoint. So when we use this disjoint, we will be getting a boolean value which is nothing but true or false. So if both sets are disjoint, which each element, not even a single element present in one set, is present in another set. In such case, we will be getting true, or otherwise we will be getting false. So let us go ahead and see through program how this disjoint works. So let's say I will be considering set 1 here. So in this set 1, as we have discussed in Venn diagrams, I will be considering 1, 2. So in set 2, I will be considering 4, 5, 6. So I am considering 1, 2, 3, and also I am considering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I execute this, this got executed. You can see the cell execution here. So now I will be using set is disjoint here. So for that, we wanted to compare this particular set 1 and set 2, right? So for that reason, I am using set 1 dot is joint of set 2 here. So this is the way that we will be comparing this particular disjoint. We'll be mentioning one set at the left side and another set that we will be passing to this particular method. So now if I execute this, we are getting true. The reason is because the elements present in set 1, not even a single element present in set 2 here. That is the reason we are getting true when we use is disjoint. As we have discussed previously, it should not, the elements one set should not present in another set. Because of that reason only we are getting. Let's say if I have one more element, nothing but 1 here. So in first set we are having 1, 2, 3. In second set we are having 4, 5, 6, and also we are having 1. So this particular 1 is present in set 1 and also in set 2. So now if I execute this, I am executing this particular set, and if I execute this particular method, we are getting false. So as we have discussed previously, it should not, the element should not present in both sets, right? That is the reason we are getting false here. Say if I remove this particular 1 and if I replace this particular 1 with, let's say, 8 here, so we are having completely different elements, right? So I am executing this. So here also I am executing this method here. So we are getting true. The reason is because the elements in one set, not even a single element in one set present in the another set. Because of that reason only we are getting true whenever we are calling each joint method. Let's say if I have one number, this particular set 2 and set 1 repeated, in such case if I execute this, we are getting false. So by this you can able to clearly understand the behavior of this particular is disjoint. Whenever you are having two sets, if not even a single element in one set is repeated in another set, in such case it will return true, or otherwise if any elements is repeated in both of the sets, you will be getting false here. So I hope you can able to understand the isdisjoint method. So let us go ahead and see one more method that we have, which is nothing but issubset. So first we will be understanding this particular issubset through Venn diagram. So after that we will understanding through programmatically. So here I am having one set, right, with 1, 2, 3. I will be set here. So in another set, what I will be having is that, let's say in another set, I will be having the same 1, 2, 3 here. So apart from this 1, 2, 3, I will be also having some other elements. So let's say I am having a set 1, 2, 3 itself. So here, this particular outer set is having 4 and 5 also. So by this, what you can able to observe is that this particular set 1, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in this particular set 2, we are having only 1, 2, 3. So understand carefully, we have two sets here. So in the outer set, this particular outer set you can consider as a set 1, and in this particular inner set you can consider as set 2. This inner set is having 1, 2, 3, the same elements that we have in the outer set also. So apart from 1, 2, 3, in the outer set, which is set 1, we are having 4 and 5. So by this, what you can able to observe and understand here is that this particular inner set is considered as a subset to this particular outer set, which is nothing but for this set 1, this set 2 is considered as inner set, which is also referred as subset. For this set 2, this set 1 is considered as superset. So by this assumption only, we will be checking this is subset or not. So let us go ahead and understand through programmatically. So as I have explained clearly, particular is subset. If the particular subset, let's say this set 2 is subset of this particular set 1, then is subset will return true. Or otherwise, if this particular subset is not one element, at least one element, particular subset is not present in superset, we will be getting false. So first we will be understanding the true case, and after that we will be understanding the false case. So let us go ahead and understand. Let's say I am having set 1 here. Set 1 I will be considering, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 and also 5. So in set 2, what I will be considering is that I will be considering 1, 2, 3 here. So observe carefully, I am intentionally taken these elements 1, 2, 3 in set 1 and also 1, 2, 3. So apart from that, in set 1 we are having 4 and 5. So now if I use set 1 dot is subset, if I execute is subset of set 2 here, we will be getting false here. If I execute this, we are getting false. The reason is because first we need to use the subset in here, and after that we need to pass the superset. So I hope you can able to understand. If I execute this, we are getting true. The reason is because this particular set 2 is a subset of set 1. Because of that reason, we are getting. Let's say if I remove, this is the true case. This is the case where we are getting true for this particular subset. The reason is because subset is true. The reason is because this particular set 2 elements are subset of this particular set 1 elements, because these all of these elements, every single element in set 2 are repeating in set 1 also. Because of that reason, when we use is a subset, it was returning. So let us understand the false case. Means whenever we are using case, whenever we are using this method, when we will be getting the false. So let us understand through example. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, and here we are having 1, 2, 3 in set 2 and also in set 1. Let's say what I will be doing is that I will remove a little bit of this particular set here, and after that I will be adding one more element here. Let's say I will be adding 6 here, and in this particular inner set I am having 6. So now you can able to see the difference. One element is not present in superset. So this previously we have considered this particular set 1 as a superset, right? So now if I add this particular 6 to this particular set 2, this is no longer a subset. So because this particular 6 is outside of this particular superset, right? So by that reason, this will become false. Whenever we are checking particular set 2 is subset of set 1, it will return false. So now if I mention 6 here and if I execute this, we are getting false. So I hope you can able to understand through this particular example otherwise means this particular 6 is not present in set 1. Because of that reason, we are getting false here. So I hope you can able to understand. Whenever we are using this particular is subset, then this set 2, we are considering set 2 as a subset, right? So in this case, set 2 as subset, when we are calling this particular is subset by using this particular set 1, we are getting false because one element, at least one element, is present outside of this particular set 1, which nothing but superset, then it will return false. So if all the elements present in set 2 are present in set 1, in such case it will return 2. Let's say I will be considering 4 also. If I execute this, we are getting true because all the elements in set 2 are present in set 1 also. Say if I consider 5 also, so now you can observe set 1 and set 2, we are having all the elements same, right? So now if I execute this, we are still getting true. So again, I will be executing, we are getting true here. So by this, you can able to understand if all the elements present in one set are, if all the elements present in one set and another set, if both are same, then we will be getting. So even if I replace this particular set 1 here and set 2 here, if I execute this, still we are getting true because this particular set 1 is considered as a subset of set 2 and set 2 can be considered as subset of set 1. So these two sets are equal, right? So I hope you can able to understand this particular subset. So let us go ahead and understand this particular is superset. As like previously we have discussed, previously when we don't have when we don't have this particular 6, when we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 here, this particular set 1 is considered as superset, right? That is what we have discussed. By using this particular is super method, we can know this particular set 1 is superset of this particular set 2. So let us go ahead and see that. So I will be considering similar example above. I will be taking set 1 here. This set 1 I will be considering, let's say 1, 2, 4 and 5, and in another set 2, I will be considering 1, 2, 3 itself. So after that, if I use set 2 1 dot is superset and if I pass set 2 here, so understand carefully, if I execute this, we are getting true. The reason is because particular set 2 elements are present in set 1 elements. So all elements in set 2 are present in set. Some of the elements present in set 1 are present in set 2 and also in set 1 we have additional elements, right? Because of that reason, when we are calling this particular is superset, we are getting true. So I hope you can able to understand. So whatever you are calling is subset or is superset, the main key is with this particular subset only. So let's say if I have 6 here and if I execute this, we are getting false because whenever we are having 6 here, this no longer being a subset. Because of that reason, this set 1 is no longer being superset. This condition of subset and superset becomes false. Either you are checking is superset or you are checking is subset, both becomes fails and both will result false. So I hope you can able to see that this example. So this is about superset. By this is superset, you can know a particular set is superset of another set or not. So I hope you can able to understand is superset and is subset, and apart from that, can able to understand this particular is disjoint methods. So now we will be understanding the real use case of this particular is superset, is subset and is disjoint. So let's say you might using any one of the social media, let's say Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, right? Let's say you are following some person, let's say you are following, some people are following person A and some other people are following person B here. So these are the two famous accounts or two famous persons that we have. Let's say what I wanted to know is that all the persons following to this person are following to this person also. Say whatever. Let me explain one more time here. Let's say I wanted to know all the persons following A are also following B. In such case, we can use is superset or is subset. Let's say in this account, for this account A, we are having 2k followers, and in this account B, we are having 5k followers. So by this, what you can assume is that whenever you are comparing A set is less than is subset of B set, you can able to know all the elements, all the followers of this particular A are also followers of B, and by that you can able to know this particular A followers are subset of B followers, and at the same time you can able to check by using is superset all the followers of B are considered as superset of this particular followers of A. I hope you can able to understand that. And apart from that, if you wanted to compare is disjoint, you can know, let's say this particular A followers, not even a single person is following to this particular B person. In such case, it will be considered as is disjoint, right? So this is one of the real-time use case that we will be using for is subset and is superset and is joint. So this is the use case that we can apply in real time, right? So by understanding this particular real use case, you can able to understand the concepts very quickly and very remembering, right? So I hope you can able to understand the real use case of this particular method that what we have discussed. So that's it for this video. And apart from these concepts, I wanted to tell you one more thing to you. So that is, you are doing really great. You are learning Python really great. So how I am telling that is because you are one of the person who watched this video till the end. So what I want from you is that I wanted to listen from you. What you think about this video? Whatever you think about this video, good, bad, good explanation, bad explanation, and need to improve the explanation. Whatever your thoughts about this video, comment your thoughts in the comment section so that I would go through those comments, and if needed, if required, I will be improving upon. So I hope you have found this video interesting. If that is true, hit the like button. The next video we will be showing some more important mathematical set operations. So to stay updated with my latest videos, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications to all so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification. Thank you for watching this. The next